Tired of your Peopleperhour proposals disappearing into the black hole of ignored applications? Let's transform that frustration into freelancing success in just 90 seconds. First, head over to Peopleperhour and find a project that's a perfect match for your skills. Don't just apply to everything. Targeted proposals are key. Carefully read the project description and understand the client's needs, their tone, and any specific requirements they've mentioned. Pay close attention to keywords. Now, for the proposal itself, start with a personalized greeting. Avoid generic phrases like "Dear Sir," "Madam." Use their name if available. Next, directly address the client's problem. Show them you understand their needs and briefly explain how your skills align with their project. Highlight relevant experience with quantifiable results. Instead of saying, "You're a great writer," say you increased website traffic by 30% through optimized content. Outline your proposed solution and the steps you'll take to achieve the desired outcome. Break down the project into manageable milestones for better clarity. End with a strong call to action and encourage the client to schedule a call, review your portfolio, or ask any questions they may have. Price competitively, but don't undervalue your work. Justify your rate by highlighting the value you bring to the table. Be sure to consider Peopleperhour's fees. Finally, proofread your proposal carefully before submitting. Errors can kill your chances, and click that Submit Proposal button. Good luck landing your dream project, and remember to subscribe for more freelancing tips.